Hey everyone, welcome back. I am the Electrical Code Coach, and this is the electrical question of the day. Can non-metallic sheath cables pass through slots or holes in metal members? And of course, we're talking about metal framing members here, and the correct answer is yes. When we head over to the NEC 300.4, I want you to read that whole little section there. There's a lot of meat. But we are allowed to use it, and this is what we're talking about here. Let's imagine that you're in a type of construction that allows NM cable. We are allowed to go through these metal studs, but we're going to have something like this. Now, this is Greenlee's version. You can pick them up on Amazon. They sell lots of different versions. You can also use these for other cables to make it easier to pull. As long as it is listed and it's listed as one of these grommets or bushings, you are allowed to use it to pull NM cable. But we move it in and they must be listed. I am the Electrical Code Coach, and my bargain is that these videos will add value to you, and you will in turn add value to others. If there's anything you need from me, you can always email me at electricalcodecoach@gmail.com. Let's get to it.